Hello, I'm Sandra and I'm the creator at Sing Play Create, and this is Teaching Tips for those of you who want to do music and movement activities with young children. Today I have a super fun scarf activity to go with the song Have You Seen the Ghost of John? We're going to use some music from the Sing Play Create music library that you can find on your favorite music channel like Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, iTunes, and YouTube Music. I'm going to teach you step by step how to teach the song and the scarf movements. Let's get started. The first time that we go through the song is I'm going to give all the students a scarf and I'm going to have them hold it in their hands. I'm going to turn on the music and I'm just going to let them wave to the music.
Have you seen the ghost of John? Long white bones with the red.
They've had a chance to move their scarves in free movement, to listen to the music, and then we'll sit down and talk about the song, the music, how it makes them feel, and some ways that we can use our scarves to tell the story. Each line of the song is going to have a different pattern, and there's also going to be some special words that we're going to have some special actions on. There's a couple different ways that you can teach the patterns. If you're dealing with really young children, like 3 or 4-year-olds, you may want to choose just one movement and have them do it for the whole song, and just see if they can pick that one movement up. For example, the first movement is, Have you seen the ghost of John? So if I was working with that age group, I would just keep it that simple, and at the very end of the song, I might add in one other movement like, no skin on, with a scary, spooky face, and we wiggle and then we would drop it to the ground. If you're teaching this to a little bit older students and they can handle learning the patterns for each phrase, then what you want to do is have them echo say the words back to you, and then you'll want to show them the pattern and have them copy each line back and forth. The first line of the song goes like this: Have you seen the ghost of John? And then I have everybody repeat that. Have you seen the ghost of, and then circle John. Then we're going to change directions. Long white bones with the rest all gone. So we're going to do long white bones with the rest all gone. And then our hands are up here and we're going to do the ooh part of the song above our heads. Ooh. And then we're going to come down. Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? And then drop all the way to the floor. This is how it looks all together.
Have you seen the ghost of John? Long white bones with the rest all gone. Ooh, ooh. Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? Have you seen?
If you want to take this activity one step further, it's really fun to let the children take the song and then create their own patterns for each line of the song. You can even have each group of students where they are each getting a different color scarf, or maybe the whole group gets one color scarf, and then everybody can perform the song together in their groups, or they can perform them for each other. This is something students really like to do. It's helping them learn sequencing, creating patterns, working together, and that's part of making music together.
Yay!
It's pretty easy to teach this song to your children. They're going to love waving their scarves to this spooky Halloween song. Be sure to look in the links below to get where the song links are, and also there is a free download of the patterns to this activity that you can use with your children. I hope you have fun with this scarf activity for the Have You Seen the Ghost of John song in your classroom. I'd love to hear how it goes with your kiddos and how it worked, and if they were able to create their own patterns, or maybe the patterns were too hard. Please leave me some feedback on how this works for you. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to this channel. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.